Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. It is, what time is it here now? I think it's 11. It is 20 to 11 here and the date is, I don't know who I'm playing, as if I can see this thing on my hand here without it. Right, I was right. It's 10:39 a.m. in the morning. Oh my god, today's my mother's birthday. I'm gonna have to call her. Ha! I just remembered. I'm gonna have to call her. All right, so it's the 10th of July, my mom's birthday. So it's a good thing that we're ahead in Australia and it's still the 9th in the USA. So I'm in good graces still. So I'm gonna call her now anyway, once I'm done talking to you guys. So quilt along. Let's get back to the details. Christmas quilt along starting on the 31st of August. Best to do a video so that everyone is told at the same time and everybody knows exactly what's happening. All right, we will be making 5 blocks. I'm going to tell you the blocks as well. I'm going to name the blocks for you so that you know what we have to do. Now you're thinking 5 blocks. Yes, it's going to be 5 blocks. However, they're going to be 5 huge blocks. And obviously the details will tell you how many blocks you need to make. I prefer to do it that way. Now we haven't got very long to go, so it's important that you get all your bits ready. When I say bits, I'm talking about your fabric. Okay, again, all the details will be in the description box down below. What I would say right now is that the border includes your fat quarters. All right, so nothing else will be needed to add for the borders. Okay, and as well you'll be needing background, but again, all the details will be in the link in the description box down below. The cost will also be in there as well, but let's go back to the blocks because that's more important. As I said, we haven't got long. We complete on the 14th of December, so start on the 31st of August to the 14th of December. So once we sort of wrapped up with the one that we're currently doing, okay, we've got a little bit of a grace period to organize your fat quarters, your fabrics, etc. Know your color scheme if you're going for whether you're going to be using Christmas fabrics or not. So you've got a little bit of grace period before you get started. All right, now this is supposed to be fun, so please do not, you know, spoil it for yourself. Just take your time and go with it. All right, if you don't want to use Christmas fabrics, by all means you don't have to. Okay, you can just use Christmas colors rather than using Christmas fabrics if that makes you feel happy. Okay, but let me tell you about the blocks. Now I like to do blocks that I have not seen, you know, people do on YouTube. You know, I don't like doing things that is just normal or regular. I like thinking outside the box. I like researching outside the box. And also, I like when I do my quilt alongs, they are new. They're something different. They're blocks you haven't seen before. So I do spend a lot of time researching the blocks, you know, and making sure that they will work for us. Because I'm not just thinking about myself when I'm planning the quilt alongs. I'm thinking about you guys also. And do note that as much as I say the blocks are beginner friendly, they are. Everything is beginner friendly. They are also, you know, friendly to the sense that because you haven't seen it before, it doesn't mean that you cannot do it. All the videos are step-by-step tutorials so that you can make them. And as much as I have been doing quilt alongs, I've never had anyone said to me, I don't understand what to do in the quilt along, because I take my time and go through the details, as well as the pattern is simplified, and I like to do visual learning, in the sense that if the pattern is visual, so you can see where the layout goes, you know where the sizes are, it's easier for you to comprehend. And if you're not sure, then obviously you've got the video as backup. So for me, I think it's quite detailed. And as I said, I haven't had anybody come back to me and say, well, they don't understand anything when it comes to the video tutorials for the quilt along. Most people, if not 100%, is really okay with it. All right, I don't know so why this phone keeps buzzing on my hand, but anyway, so I just wanted to make sure and put that out there so that you know what you're getting. So full step-by-step tutorials is going to be fun and festive, and of course, as I said, you can use Christmas fat quarters if you want to. Now the blocks are huge in the sense that they come up to size 15 and size 16, and I talk about finish sizes. Okay, as I said, we will be only doing 5 blocks, but they are repeated. Not all of them, but they are repeated. I must admit though, because I had designed this a few weeks back now and I hadn't touched it because I like to sort of ponder on things to make sure it's the right one that we're going with. So I think it was yesterday or last night, I was in the bed and I was like on my laptop and I opened up the file, and when it popped up I was like, oh my god, that's a pretty quilt. So that solidified the fact for me that it's going to be a nice quilt. So hence I decided, you know what, okay, it's time now to share it with you guys. All right, so always remember though that the layout that I've chosen, you don't have to choose that one. Okay, I feel like I'm just yapping. All right, so let's go on with this. So, you know, it's going to be festive, step-by-step tutorials, printable patterns. I've written stuff down, hence the reason I'm looking at my computer. It's going to be a stunning Christmas top, and most importantly, it's a community sew along, okay, so that we all can get involved and have fun. Now, it's important that you stay abreast with the actual quilts block, because obviously we got a short time, isn't it? So as I said, we tend to be I'm aiming for us to complete on the 14th of December, so that gives you enough time to quilt it if you not going to take it to a long arm, or even if you are, you've still got time to get it back. But yeah, I think that's enough time till the 14th of December. And when I say the 14th, that's literally me demonstrating to you even before that week, probably even ends, because I think that's a Sunday, how to lay the quilt out, you know, and you know, go ahead and quilt it. So it really is down to you and how you work. But I think from the 31st of August to the 14th of December is enough time to make this Christmas quilt. As I said, the block's big, so you're not fiddling with tiny pieces of fabric, which can be a little bit intricate sometimes and time consuming. All right, so as I said, but all the details, you know, it will be in the description box down below. Now let me tell you the name of the blocks. So the first one is called Christmas Star, and I know that sounds a bit cliche. And it sounds a bit cliche, but I have not seen this one around before. It's the first time I've actually seen it myself. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's really pretty. You know, I'm going to include that one. This one comes up to a 15-inch finished block. So obviously unfinished is 15.5. All right, so 15-inch. It's a beautiful, beautiful Christmas star. And again, the colors here really shows off this particular star. Now again, these blocks that I'm showing you, they're beautiful, beautiful repeated patterns, so you can use them as one block wonders if you'd like to. Okay, so that's the first one. Now this is not in any order of how we're going to make the blocks. Okay, I'm just telling you what the names of the blocks are at this point in time. The next one is called Broken Window. Beautiful, beautiful block. Again, colors will work really nicely with this one. And again, if you don't want to use Christmas fabrics, you can simply just use the colors that I've used in the blocks. Okay, but Broken Window, sorry, this one comes up to 15-inch finished block. Speaking too much. Okay, beautiful, beautiful block again, and yet another beautiful one block wonders. I like doing one block wonders because I also think about the people who are not taking part in the quilt along and they just want to buy the block and make that one block repeated throughout the quilt. It's a beautiful, beautiful block. Okay, so the next one is called Use It All. Now tell me down below if you've actually heard of these particular ones. Okay, you may have heard of, you know, other people calling blocks Christmas blocks, but these particular ones, I have not seen them anywhere. As I said, I put a lot of research into it. So it's called Use It All. This one finishes at 16. This is the biggest block. Okay, 16 finished block. Beautiful. I love the plaid colors on this particular one here, really, really nicely. And when I was, you know, looking at this, I'm thinking this is going to be really beautiful if you've got that Christmas plaid in your fat quarter bundle. All right, so that was number 3. So number 4, where is it? Number 4 is the Christmas Star Anew. This one, it reminds me of a star we did, I think it was last year when we did the quilt along throughout the year, the vintage star quilt along. I still haven't started working on that quilt yet, but anyway, that it reminds me of this one, but it's just so out there. It's like it demands to be like in a spotlight. So I think I'm going to use this one as my center block. I'm not sure, but I think this one might be it. But it's beautiful. Christmas Star Anew. Again, this one finishes at 16 inch. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful block. And the last one, remember I said 5 blocks we're making. This one finishes at 12, and this one is repeated. Okay, it's not repeated throughout the entire quilt, but it's repeated in the quilt itself. But I thought this one is lovely. It's an hourglass block, but not the traditional normal hourglass block that you would have seen before. So this one is going to be, you can twist and turn it and it looks really, really nice. I love the play on it as well. Okay, so those are the blocks that we will be making for the Christmas quilt along. Again, if you would love to take part, I would love you to take part. Please do note though that I would love to see your quilt so I can make a compilation of the actual quilts of everyone who's taken part. And I just love doing that because a lot of people share their work with me, and I would like to share others so that we all can see we are a community, and that's important to me, that you really share. Even if you don't make the entire quilt and you make one block wonders, please still share it with me. I'd love to see it, and I'd love to share it. What's wrong with my speech today? I'd love to share it with others. Okay, so that's really important to me because I just feel it's more of a community when we do it that way. So I'll repeat again, Christmas quilt along, start date 31st of August, 5 blocks, completes the 14th of December. The cost remains the same, which is the $12 that I charged before. And yeah, that is simply it. And the link will be in the description box for you to sign up. Also, when you do sign up, please make sure, I repeat, make sure that your email, I don't know what's going on with my TV here. Make sure that your email address is correct. Okay, that's very important. I cannot complete the task of sending you the patterns, you know, if your email address is incorrect. Make sure it's correct. And if you haven't received it, send me, you know, a message on Instagram or Facebook or even on YouTube, okay? And I will make sure to take care of it. And one of the best ways, I think, is most likely going to my Crafty Quilting store link in the description box and sending me an instant message from the store there. And that, or every message via any sort of, you know, app that you use always reaches me anyway, but I'm just giving you options so that you know why is my glasses slipping, where, you know, you could reach out to me and I will respond to you. Okay, so the sign up link in the description box down below, guys. I'll really be happy if you get to it now. Sign up today. Make sure you know what you're doing, all the details for the sizes of fabrics, etc. But the description box down below. I look forward to seeing you there and seeing your name sign up, and we all can get started on the 31st of August. All right, bye for now. Happy quilting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.